welcome back. In this module, we're going to be tackling the tall ship of traditional media, television. Still a very dominant force in our everyday life. Based on the CRTC's recent numbers, the average Canadian still spends about 25 hours a week watching television. So this is not a medium that's about to die anytime soon or going anywhere. It's here to stay. It's been obviously impacted by all the digital forces, but still a very important piece of furniture in our homes. In this module, we're also going to be taking apart sort of the glossary of television, the different terms that are being used to, when you work in this industry, to describe its various silos. For example, one of the prime functions and words we're going to be working with is the difference between a private television station, a la CTV for example, versus a public television network, a la CBC, a la TVO and stuff. So we're going to be describing the differences between these two types of networks. Also look at different genres of television. For example, what's a generalist television station? What's a specialty channel, for example, like TSN or Weather Channel and whatnot? Video on demand, pay TV. All of these very special categories of television networks, I think, are extremely important for you to assimilate and make the difference between. So trust us, all of these elements will be defined pretty clearly. So this is one of the things you're going to be achieving in this module. Also the financial aspects of it, the structure basically of this universe. It's an industry that generates hundreds of millions of dollars in revenues at the end of the year and expenses, creates thousands of jobs for Canadians across the country. So we're going to be looking at the financial aspect of it, how television is being funded, where is the money coming from and going to, so sort of the royalties, like when your specialty channel, your cable caster gives you a monthly sort of allowance. The Canadian Media Fund, which is a prime engine of the industry. It's a huge pot of money that gets distributed among the different television producers of the country. Also clearly looking at the CRTC as well. For television, just like we did in radio and will be doing with all the other traditional media, CRTC is still, again, a huge factor in the way television has been organized and regulated. And we're going to be taking also another look at the Let's Talk TV consultation that took place a few years back and its ramifications, some of the direct outputs of that consultation and how it impacted the way you and I access and use television. And taking a look in the last section of the module as to where television is going. So just a sneak preview of some of the key themes we're going to be tackling. Should be an interesting ride on this one. Enjoy.